So it was a huge day in court. The expectations of many was that they were going to hear whether the Supreme Court will grant the injunction application filed by journalist and lawyer Richard Delasky and Dr. Amanda Odoi, a researcher with the University of Cape Coast. The two were seeking to bar Parliament from transmitting the anti-gay bill to the presidency for his assent or otherwise. But the Supreme Court says they are deferring their decision until the final determination of the substantive suit.
Substantive suit together, enabling this court to deliver a more informed, comprehensive and just decision that accounts for all relevant circumstances and factors in this important matter. Such a unified approach will further provide context and clarity and also afford a clearer understanding of the issues raised in this interlocutory matter and their impact on the main suit. Having therefore diligently analyzed all the material processes on the record in this instant application and listened to oral submissions by learned counsel for the parties, our decision is to reserve our verdict on the interlocutory application until the final determination of the substantive suit, at which point we will render a comprehensive judgment that addresses all aspects of the case, including the current application for injunction. In conclusion, the decision of this court on this application for an interlocutory injunction is hereby deferred to abide the outcome of the determination of the substantive suit.
Lawyer for Richard Delasky indicated that the injunction application still holds and they are happy that that matter of course has been made because they felt that some of the pleadings that found place in the injunction application were the same or similar to the pleadings in the substantive matter.
We say that invariably, indirectly, it is still restraining any party from doing anything contrary to the demands of the application. Can't do it insofar as this matter is pending, otherwise it will amount to contempt of court, to the best of our understanding of the law. When the court speaks about an early trial, in effect what it means is that it will speed up the process towards the determination of the matter so that this whole issue of injunction before final determination will no longer take a center stage.
The Attorney General insists that once there is an injunction application pending and no determination has been made, Parliament can not transmit this bill to the presidency.
Once that the court thinks can be better dealt with in a substantive action. And it's permissible for a court to do that. There's nothing unusual at all. The court actually referred to an existing rule on injunctions. And so I think that the court is fair in coming by that approach. I mean, if at this stage the process have not been transmitted, and there must be a reason for that. The reason is that there was this application for interlocutory injunction pending, and the court has still not disposed of the application for interlocutory injunction. The court said the determination of that application for interlocutory injunction should abide the determination of the main case, and for that matter, it is reserving its determination until the main action is heard. It tells you that the application for interlocutory injunction is still pending, has not been disposed of. And so I think that would be the proper course to take. I still have to follow my processes, and that will be the first point for me to take. So it's a matter of complying with the rules of court. I have to comply with the rules of court first before you think about an expeditious hearing. So the question of expeditious hearing of the main case does not arise at this stage until all processes have been filed and the parties are ready to move forward. You heard counsel for the first defendant even talking about an application for a consolidation that has to be made, and that has not been done. So I do not think that there's a need for us to be considered the question.
From the Supreme Court, my name is Richard Kwejo Nyako for Joy News.